If I have ADHD, can you prescribe medication or do I need to take your diagnosis to a GP? This is a fantastic question. I'm a clinical psychologist who assesses and diagnoses ADHD. I cannot prescribe medication. Clinical psychologists in Australia cannot prescribe medication. So you're probably thinking, well, what's the point going to a psychologist to get an assessment? And I'm going to go through that exact reason. To get medication, you do need to see a psychiatrist because they are medical doctors that specialize in mental health management. Now, what we do is we do the assessment. We actually go through the results with you. So I explain your brain profile. I explain why you've been struggling with what you've been struggling. We go through your strengths, your weaknesses, and we make a plan together. And part of that plan is usually medication management. And we have certain referrals that we know are neurodivergent affirming, that they have worked with lots of women before, or men in this case, and we trust them and we refer to them because we know that they're really good at what they do. If you're trying to navigate this process alone, it can be a very arduous process. Referrals can get lost, you can go back and forth, and it can be a little bit of the wild, wild west out there. So the advantage of seeing a psychologist who knows what they're doing is that they can easily guide you through the process. Now, medication is one part of it. Sure, you can go straight to a psychiatrist, get a diagnosis, get the medication, but then what? We give you a guide with what to expect. We give you lots of resources and strategies to help you because medication is one pillar. The next pillar of ADHD management is executive functioning strategies. And the third and final pillar, not everyone will need, but is psychological intervention because 80% of people with ADHD either struggle with binge eating or anxiety and they need psychological strategies to help. If this is you and you're not sure about whether you want to go all the way with an assessment, which is only 2 sessions, you can take the free screening quiz in the link in my profile.